Mentaiko is spicy cod caviar, a common food in Japan. Cod caviar sauce is so popular that major companies have developed plant-based versions, and it is even sold in regular supermarkets. Here's the way to make it easier than going out to buy it. Salt. First, boil the spaghetti. 100 grams of spaghetti. 1 tablespoon of amaranth. Cook the amaranth in the pasta pot. The cooking time for amaranth is 9 to 10 minutes. Normally, pasta and Mentaiko sauce are cooked separately. But if the amaranth is boiled together with pasta, which takes 9 to 10 minutes to cook, they can be cooked at once. This way you can cook just the amount you want right now. Prepare the flavor of Mentaiko separately. 1 tablespoon of mayo. 1 tablespoon of coconut milk or cream. These two make up the sauce. Add the Mentaiko flavor to this. 1/8 teaspoon of dobanjiang. 1 teaspoon of dark keishi or soy sauce. A little kombu stock powder. 1/3 teaspoon of sugar. Mentaiko flavored sauce is ready. The important thing is to use a fine mesh sieve. Add the pasta and Mentaiko texture to the sauce, and it's done. Serve topped with perilla leaves and shredded nori.